top 10 website template trends to look out for in 2023. Getting your next website template ready is like cooking a delicious meal. There are some basic ingredients and you cannot imagine a successful dish without them. These are fully responsive design, decent page speed, and accessibility. In addition to this, it is worth adding some seasoning. In this case, we are talking about brand new trends that emerge every year. In today's video, you will learn more about ready-made template trends of 2023 to inspire new visions and ideas. Get more visible with the dark mode. As people continue spending more time staring at screens, it is crucial to implement a dark mode. It is possible to consider this trend on the aesthetic and practical end. It assists in lowering eye strain when users browse the internet the whole day. It provides a sleek appearance to highlight different design elements by darkening the items around. The evolution of gradients. The gradient trend turned out to be long-lasting. From modest color overlays to striking backgrounds, it managed to catch the attention of various people. With gradients, you can add an artwork depth, get a visually appealing background, or mix an illustration with textures. It is also possible to use it with large and bright typography for a more remarkable effect. Frosted glass effect for a more original approach. If you are tired of gradients, a 2023 toolbox offers to utilize a frosted glass effect. Thanks to the recent advancements in web technology, it will take you nothing to implement it. Text and objects will show up over the image and stay visible while the items behind them are blurred. A mix of transparency and blur can be used in terms of layered design elements, colorful backgrounds, icons, and other elements. Excellent shopping experience with WordPress, WooCommerce Integration. These days, more and more developers are adding WooCommerce packages to their WordPress themes. This allows people to operate their businesses successfully without installing hundreds of third-party integrations. WooCommerce combines user-friendliness and search engine optimization for a better experience. It has a massive number of available options, including inventory management, multiple payment gateways, and marketing functions. Inventive and engaging scrolling for landing pages. People want to interact with a landing page that allows learning more about the product or service in a stylish manner. Thanks to parallax scrolling, you are free to transform aesthetic design into something creative and dynamic. Scrolling provides opportunities for animated interactive feedback, since it is the most prevalent sort of user interaction with a site. By 2023, scrolling experiences will be more expansive and impressive than ever, and lead users on extraordinary adventures. A realistic touch to HTML website templates with visible borders. A strict grid and code are components that allows you to construct a website. But how can you make an online project more real? A realistic touch to HTML website templates with visible borders. A strict grid and code are components that allows you to construct a website. But how can you make an online project more real? In this case, it is possible to take advantage of borders that do not simply separate but make everything more realistic. A visible border clearly has the advantage of separating two sections and making the content more readable. It provides a browsing experience and allows you to display more material without making the site too cluttered. Time-saving voice shopping with Shopify websites. We no longer type into Google to find the necessary content. Instead, we often decide to formulate a question and ask voice chatbots. Voice-activated interfaces become more common in online shops, and this evolving trend is not going away anytime soon. We can foresee seeing more Shopify and other e-commerce stores incorporating voice search as an alternative to conventional text search. More interactive WordPress sites to get more traffic. Owners of the websites want to deliver value to guests, encourage them to interact, and discover more about them. By including interactive sections in your WordPress themes, it is possible to attract more clients. Assume you are creating a real estate site with mortgage calculator. In this case, one can provide more value to their visitors and learn about them thanks to the entered information. You are also free to add graphs, quizzes, polls, surveys, and other components. Monochromatic Design. Make users act. Monochromatic design is a lasting phenomenon that we believe will continue into 2023. These aesthetics can generate a smooth and eye-catching look, and provokes elements with coloring to attract the user's interaction. It will be remarkably successful if your website template is focused on boosting interaction with a significant call to action. Who doesn't love cartoon characters? In 2023, illustrated characters will continue to be a popular trend for homepage designs. Characters specific to your website templates add creative freedom through careful positioning to create an unforgettable experience. Since clean illustrations frequently load faster than photos, this design can be beneficial for page load time. What trends will you implement in your website templates design in 2023? Let us know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching!